In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Google Sheets on your Windows computer. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So whether you're on Windows 11 or Windows 10, this process is the same. To do this, first go to your computer or laptop and open any browser. To install Google Sheets as a program, you need to search for Google Drive. And now if you go to search, you can see this is Google Drive official website. Click on it. And the reason why we are using Google Drive is because Google Sheets comes as a package in Google Drive. Now on the official Google Drive website, scroll down and look for downloads. Click on it and this will take you down below to download Drive for desktop. Here we are told this is available for both Windows and Mac OS. And now proceed and click on download Drive for desktop. If you click on this, you will be redirected to this page. Scroll down until you see install Google Drive for desktop. Here choose your operating system. I'm on Windows, so I'll click on install on Windows and then click on download for Windows here. This will begin downloading the program. As you can see, here it is in progress. Be patient as the download is on, and once it's done, you can see we have now our Google Drive setup here. Click on the folder to open the folder or location where this setup file is. Mine is under download, so you can check yours. Once you have now this setup file for Google Drive, double click on it to start running and installing it, or just right click on it and choose run as administrator. Then click yes to confirm your selection, and this will begin the installation. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.